This is Ian Lamont, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. You're looking at the free version of Google Slides, a new feature, the ability to launch a presentation into Google Meet. I'll show you how it works. So we're looking at Google Slides, and if you want to have this slideshow appear in a current Google Meet, like let's say somebody invited you to a meeting and you want to show what you're working on, you could share the screen, but this is another way to do it using the integration. So press this button next to the slideshow button. It says join a call here or present this tab to the call, and click it. And then if you don't see the ability just to go straight to the meet, what you need to do is enter the meeting code or nickname. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste in the meeting code from a live meeting that I just set up. There's nothing going on in there, but the meeting code you can see is in the lower left corner. You can also press the information button and you'll see the code at the end of the URL. I'm going to go back to this particular meeting, press the Google Meet button again, enter the meeting code or nickname. Oh, it didn't do it. Let's try that again. This time I'm going to use this one. I'm going to right click over and copy just to make sure it goes through. I'm going to paste it in there, okay, and continue. And there it is. Now the camera's not found because I don't have my camera open, but this basically lets me join it. And it also I also have some options here. Just present this tab, join here too. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and I'll see you next time.